this guide, I will be showing you guys how to use Instagram's AI style feature to transform your story photos. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now click on the option Your Story. You'll be directed to this page. Now you can go ahead and use the existing picture from your gallery or capture it. Once you have chosen the picture, click on this drop down given over here. Then navigate to the option Effects. Now here you're going to find this section of trending. Click on that. Under that, you're going to find all the AI feature effects. Also, you can navigate to different section where you're going to find different effects of Instagram. If you're searching for a specific effect, you can click on the search icon. Type in the effect name and search for it. You can also check out these tabs given over here: real time, art styles, seasonal styles, fashion. Here you're going to find all the AI powered effects. Now you can choose any of the effect that you want to apply. All you have to do is click on it, wait for a few seconds, and the effect will be applied to your picture. Once you are satisfied with the result, you can continue editing your story, add text stickers or music, and then share it with your followers. So that's it. This is how you can easily use AI style feature to transform your Instagram stories. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.